Today we'll learn more about programming courses from Andrei. Hello!
Hello.
Could you please tell us why it's better to learn programming from childhood?
Information technology is developing at a rapid pace. What was considered an innovative breakthrough yesterday is now everyday technology. Phones, gadgets. Programming helps children develop mathematical thinking and logic. And today, the earlier a child starts learning programming, the greater the investment in their future. The sooner a child begins to study programming, the faster they will integrate into IT technologies.
What programming courses are available for children?
Nowadays, children study programming languages such as JavaScript and Python. But for very young children who don't know English, there is a special course. Which one? Scratch. With
Features, data.
games on Scratch. That is, in Scratch there are no large code structures, it's visual programming. Here you can create both simple videos and games. The Scratch language was developed at a university by programmers. It looks like playing with Lego. There are already ready-made code blocks with labels, and by connecting them, the child immediately sees what they get and can create their own game.
What kinds of applications can you create in this program?
In the Scratch service, you can create both small presentations and your own games. Right now, the children sitting behind me are creating their own game. The Scratch environment is designed for children aged 7 to 12. By working in the Scratch environment, a child develops logical thinking and deepens their knowledge of mathematics, because any programming is directly related to math. To work in Scratch, a child needs to be able to read and count.
Why did you decide to become a programming teacher at a school?
I am a practicing programmer, and I work in the field of web development. I came to this school to teach children because back in my day, we had to learn IT technologies using the internet, and there weren't such accessible platforms where real professionals work and teach kids. That's why I believe this is a wonderful contribution to our future.
I noticed my child had a creative streak a long time ago, about 7 years ago, when she was given a tablet. And she used to shoot all sorts of videos, so in general I think she has it in her. We just didn't really know how to do it properly, couldn't edit, and didn't always manage to upload them online, even though she did post some. But I think with the help of these courses, she'll definitely learn how to do it right, how to frame shots for a blog, how to speak properly.
Many parents claim that their children spend too much time on the computer. By attending these courses, they can turn from players into creators, and their hobby can become their life's work. These courses are suitable for everyone. As you can see, there are a lot of girls here, and they find these courses interesting.
The video blogging course is relevant because it develops children's creative abilities, and we all know that this is very beneficial because we develop logic and thinking in children. A person that is a child can fulfill themselves, in other words, self-realization. He also learns to improvise on camera. For example, when he first picks up the camera, it's very difficult at first, he can't find the right words. But later he manages to improvise on camera, and in the future he does it more freely. In other words, it develops our improvisational skills. We learn to find the words. We search for words somehow, and all of this happens. We realize ourselves that it's actually not as simple as it might seem at first glance. You need to know how to write a script, shoot, edit. In other words, you are at once the cameraman, the editor, the director, everything is on you. That's what bloggers do. If we look at some famous ones, of course, all these roles are divided among different people, but we teach everything from scratch.
Our greetings.
How are you?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Hello, everyone.
Hi there.
It's been so many years.